Welcome to SGV Mahesh PU College, Belgavi, Department of Chemistry. In this session, we are going to discuss with the methods of preparations of amines, the reduction of nitriles, reduction of amides, reduction of nitro compounds, alkylation of ammonia, Gabriel synthesis, etc. are the methods commonly used for preparing amines. There are some methods of preparations of amines. One is by reduction, second one is from alkyl halides, third one is from amides. So by reduction there are mainly three methods: reduction of nitro compounds, reduction of cyanides, and reduction of amides. Reduction of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds are reduced to amines by passing hydrogen gas in presence of finely divided nickel, palladium or platinum catalyst, and also by reduction with metals in acidic medium. In this case, NO2 group is converted into NH2. For example, RNO2 is converted into RNH2. This is called as reduction process. Both aliphatic and aromatic primary amines can be easily prepared by the reduction of corresponding nitro compounds. For example, nitromethane is converted into methylamine by passing hydrogen gas in presence of a catalyst called nickel in ethanol. And in second example, ylene is prepared by the nitrobenzene by passing hydrogen gas in presence of palladium and in acidic medium like concentrated HCl. Secondly, reduction of cyanides or nitriles. Nitriles on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride is nothing but LiAlH4 or catalytic hydrogenation produce primary amines. For example, R C triple bond N. C triple bond N is nothing but a nitrile or cyanide. It is converted into RCH2NH2 in presence of hydrogenation or nickel as a catalyst, or we can use a reducing agent as lithium aluminum hydride. In this case, Cn is converted into Cs2. It is bonded with NH2, so it is nothing but a primary amine. And the same reduction process is taking place with the help of sodium and alcohol is known as Mendes reduction. Aliphatic and arylalkyl primary amines can be easily prepared by the reduction of corresponding nitriles either catalytically with hydrogen and draining nickel or chemically with lithium aluminum hydride. So for example, ethane nitrile is hydrogenation in presence of nickel catalyst, or it can be reduced with a reducing agent as lithium aluminum hydride. It can be converted into ethylamine. So here C triple bond N is a nitrile group which is converted into CH2. Similarly, this is called as an aryl alkyl amine. So this is an aryl group, benzene ring. So this is called as an aryl group, and CH2 is called as an alkyl group, so which is connected by NH2. So this molecule is called as an aryl alkyl benzene. So here benzonitrile or phenyl cyanide is hydrogenation in presence of sodium or ethanol, and this is converted into benzylamine. So this is called as reduction process, and this particularly is called as Mendes reduction. So reduction is taking place in presence of sodium and alcohol. This process is called as Mendes reduction. So in this case, the product is an alkyl aryl amine. Reduction of amides. Primary, secondary and tertiary amines can be prepared by the reduction of corresponding amides with lithium aluminum hydride as a reducing agent. So in this case, C double bond O NH2 is called as an amine group. So in this case, a carbonyl group or C double bond O is converted into CS2. For example, general equation R C double bond O NH2 is an amide. So it can be reduced with lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis. It can be converted into a primary amine as RCH2NH2. Okay. Some of the examples for conversion of amides into amines. So this is called as acetamide. This is called as acetamide CH3C double bond O NH2. So it is undergoing hydrogenation or reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to form ethylamine. So here C double bond O, a carbonyl group is converted into CH2 group. This is called as reduction of amide into primary amide. Similarly, if you consider benzamide, so in this case it is also reduced with lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis to form benzyl amine. So here also a carbonyl group is converted into CH2 group. Come to the second part of preparation of amines from alkyl halides. From alkyl halide means from Rx, or this reaction is also known as Hoffman's ammonolysis. Alkyl or benzyl halide on reaction with an ethanolic solution of ammonia undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, halogen atom is replaced by an amino group, and this reaction is also known as alkylation of ammonia. In this process of cleavage of the CX bond by ammonia molecule is known as ammonolysis. The reaction is carried out in a sealed tube at 373 Kelvin. The primary amine thus obtained behaves as a nucleophile and further react with alkyl halide to form secondary and tertiary amines, and finally quaternary ammonium salt. Thus, Hoffman's ammonolysis of alkyl halide usually gives a mixture of primary, secondary and tertiary amines along with some quaternary ammonium salts as illustrated below. For example, consider ammonia molecule NH3. It is reacted with Rx as alkyl halide. Here, the primary amine thus formed being almost act as a nucleophile or basic as ammonia attacks another molecule of alkyl halide to form a secondary amine, and which in turn react with another molecule of alkyl halide to form a tertiary amine, and finally quaternary ammonium salt. An example for Hoffman's ammonolysis: here ethyl bromide or bromoethane which is taken in excess and which is reacted with a molecule of ammonia. So this is heated in a sealed tube at 373 Kelvin. There is a formation of primary amine, that is ethylamine, and which is acting as a nucleophilic as ammonia. So which is further reacted with another molecule of alkyl halide like C2H5Br, and there is a formation of secondary amine, that is diethylamine, and which is further reacted with another molecule of alkyl halide, and there is a formation of trialkylamine, that is nothing but triethylamine, and which is further reacted with another molecule of alkyl halide. There is a formation of quaternary ammonium salt, that is tetraethyl ammonium bromide. The actual composition of the reaction mixture depends on the ratio of alkyl halide and ammonia used. If excess of alcoholic ammonia is used, primary amine is the major product. If the excess of alkyl halide is used, quaternary ammonium salt is the major product. So if you consider this reaction, ethyl bromide and ammonia, here ammonia is used excessively and there is a formation of ethylamine, and this is the major product and it is a primary amine. So here if excess of ammonia is used, then the primary amine is the major product obtained. A small note regarding these reactions: aryl halide do not react with ammonia due to low reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. Tertiary alkylamine cannot be prepared because tertiary alkyl halide by elimination gives the alkenes. The order of reactivity of halide with amines is Ri is more reactive than RBr and it is more reactive than RCl because of bond strength. Ri is having less bond strength, therefore which is more reactive.